I need you. I need to do my hair. I haven't done my hair since then. Since you've been here. Hi guys. So today, I am doing a little repair on her locks, and then I'm gonna wash her hair, and I'm gonna be using where is it? I'm gonna be washing her hair today with Beth Define's Beauty Products with my product line, and I'm gonna use the apple cider vinegar shampoo and apple cider vinegar conditioner. Okay, so who say locks can't be conditioned? That's not true. But I'm gonna use the shampoo and conditioner on her locks today. Reason why? Because it's locks. Okay, we know how locks is. Sometimes they pick up dirt, build up debris, you know, all of that stuff. So the apple cider vinegar shampoo is really, really good. It's a sulfate free shampoo, and it's crafted to detox and revitalize the scalp and hair, and it heals the strands the natural way. Okay, so this is why I'm using it. So if you guys don't know, I will have this in stock within the next week or two, so you guys can go on my website and get it, grab it. It's good. And as you guys can see in the video, I went ahead and shampooed her hair, and I shampooed her hair only twice to get rid of the dirt, debris, whatever build up, you know, on her scalp. Then I took her to the suite and I began to retwist her hair with the Babbassu and Burdock Daily Hair Moisturizing Cream, which we love so much. Love it so much. This cream is amazing. Not only serve as a moisturizer, but serve as a styling cream as well. You can use it to twist, braid out, twist out plaits, bantu knots, flexi rod sets, wet or dry hair. It is amazing. It's an amazing product to have in your hair care arsenal. And excuse my little girl right here. So there you have it in the back. Just to show you guys a close-up of the retwist using the Babbassu and Burdock Daily Moisturizing Cream. It is excellent for twist outs, braid outs, bantu knots, flexi rod sets, you know, all type of different natural styles, and it's also great for locs retwist. My second time using it on locs retwist, and it's amazing. Does the job. Get it in my store online. Yes, you can pick it up online at betdefinesbeauty.com. This is an amazing moisturizing cream that we can also use for twist out, braid outs, bantu knots, as I said before, flexi rod sets. I love it. Love to use this on flexi rods because I can blow dry my hair and put the cream on it and set my hair with the rods and get beautiful curls. And I love that about the Babbassu. And it's super lightweight, but yet it does the job. Our Babbassu and Burdock they're fully loaded with nutrients. This product is fully loaded with nutrients that our hair so badly needs. Infused with apricot, shea butter, and other herbs that are specially formulated together to help our hair get stronger and looking more beautiful than ever before and improve our overall texture. It is so amazing and promote healthy hair growth. So get your hands on some of our Babbassu and Burdock Daily Moisturizing Cream. Serve as a product that we can use now for our lock retwist. What better way than to use some natural products for lock retwist other than some of the gels that are out there that are full of chemicals, harmful chemicals that are not healthy for our hair care, because these chemicals go through our cuticle and our pores, and it can cause healthy issues in the long run. Unhealthy issues, health issues in the long run. That's what I mean to say. So, you know, we got to make better choices even when it comes to our hair care products. And Beth Define's Beauty hair care products are handmade, all natural hair care products formulated to promote healthy hair growth, to strengthen our hair, and to make our hair more beautiful and looking shinier and having long-lasting curls, definition. That's what our products do, and so much more. There's so much more to us. Check us out online and read our story. Beth Define's Beauty hair products, amazing products for your hair care, and this is something that you'll need in your hair care arsenal.
phone.